that's, oh, look at the thing. Look at it now. Look at it now.
That's a F3.
Holy crap.
Some debris.
Oh man!
I got that on film too.
Alright, I'm out of memory on my. Hey, turn your windshield wipers on. I'm kind of. We gotta watch these lines. The power flashes. That is brutal.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at it picking up the water.
Keep going. Keep driving into this. It's quick moving enough. Are you taking video?
Yeah.
Nice. Holy crap. Got big debris issues. Pretty big debris up there. You might be able to drive around it, but I don't know what it is. Do we have a house here?
Did you get that card loaded?
No.
Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. Oh crap.
That's sheet metal.
I know.
Turn in and check. Check on. That's a freaking RV. Oh yeah, there it is.
Watch out, are you gonna, can you
And
stop?
you got another one over to your left. Very skinny one.
Oh yeah, can you stop? I want to take a couple of pictures of both of these. They're good.
Can I hop out, Marcus?
Yeah.
Okay.